Hi, I'm William Myers from Austin Subaru for Expert Village. Okay, now we're going to show you some of the components under the hood. We're not going to go into anything. We're just going to show you where they're located at so you can know a little bit more about your car. Like, here's the battery, windshield washer reservoir, fuel filter, master cylinder, AC compressor, alternator, power steering pump, ignition coil, throttle body, radiator, overflow tank, and in front of the radiator is the AC condenser.